All right, guys, it is day number 20. Let's go. Whoa, he's so fast. Oh, he's so fast. All right, guys, finished day number 20. Yeah, almost there in 48 minutes and 11 seconds. So quite a bit slower than yesterday, but it is what it is, man. Doing a challenge like this is physically hard, yes, but I think it's the mental, like it's mentally more difficult than it is physically, just to make yourself do something every day, the same thing. And it's rough sometimes, but baby shaking my whole car, but it's good. Finished day number 20. I am feeling pretty good about it. So go do something hard today, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.